Diplazium esculentum is a vegetable fern, and found throughout Asia and Oceania. This plant is often harvested from the wild, and is occasionally cultivated, and is sometimes sold in local markets. It is famous as the poor man's food, because it is easily available all over open places, and mostly consumed by the poor peoples, who cannot afford to buy other vegetables. The vegetable fern plant is an evergreen, that thrives on poor soils, where there is plentiful moisture. It is known by different names in different countries such as Dhekia in Assam, and Bengali, Biku in Malaysia, and many other names. This leafy veggie may have mild amounts of fern toxins, depending upon the land where it is grown, but no major toxic effects are noted till date. There are relatively few edible ferns, but this species is considered to be the most important edible fern in the world. Many ferns also contain thiaminase, an enzyme that robs the body of its vitamin B complex. In small quantities this enzyme does not harm, but large quantities can cause severe health problems. The enzyme is destroyed by heat, or through drying, so cooking the plant used to remove the thiaminase. A decoction of the leaves is used as a tonic for women after they have given birth. Fern believed efficacious to heal wounds because of its vitamin C content is high, that is 30 mg per 100 grams. The leaves are dark green fern, rich in beta-carotene, which plays an important role in regulating the body's metabolism, and help boost immunity against various diseases, especially infectious diseases. The leaves of ferns can prevent arthritic diseases, due to the rich content of calcium and phosphorus, which are good for maintenance of bone health. The leaves are rich in micronutrients, beta-carotene, folic acid, minerals, Ca, Fe and P. They are also a rich source of iron, and vitamin B. Traditionally this plant rhizomes, and young leaves are used as folk medicines, for treatment of hemoptysis, and coughs. It is eaten with boiled rice, as vegetable for laxative effect. Leaves are used to treat headache, pain, fever, wounds, dysentery, diarrhea, and various skin infections. It can easily be included in our diet twice a week, and can be one of the healthiest and tastiest dish if prepared properly.